How to set up OBS. Before you actually start streaming, you'll need to set up the OBS software. That means downloading, installing, and formatting to your preferences. Fortunately, the software is entirely free, and thanks to an explosion in usage over the past few years, it's more user-friendly today than ever. Step 1. Download OBS from the official site. Install it as you would any other application. If you're feeling generous and feel like you'll be using OSB a lot, consider donating to the open source developers. Step 2. Right-click the OBS shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Step 3. Before you connect OBS to your streaming platform of choice, you'll want to select the parameters of your stream. To do so, click on the Settings button in the bottom right-hand corner, and access the Video tab on the left-hand menu. Step 4. Choose the resolution you'll capture footage and stream at, as well as the frame rate you want to broadcast at. If you're not sure, YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook have guides to help. You also need to make sure that your internet's upload speed can handle it. If you're not sure, find out your upload rate using an internet speed test. Step 5. Access the Video tab using the left-hand menu and select your desired video bitrate. Bonus. If you're unsure about any of this, the OBS configuration wizard may make the process a little bit more streamlined. You can access it from the main OBS window, under the Tools tab. Alternatively, just leave everything as it is to start with and then make adjustments as you learn more about using the software and streaming in general. If your streams end up laggy, you'll want to lower the bitrate, resolution, or FPS. If your video footage is poor and you have bandwidth to spare, you can afford to raise the bitrate and resolution to improve the quality of your stream.